Hi. Hi. Mambo. Hello. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about something this is like a sequel again to another video that I did. I like doing sequels, by the way. So yeah, so if you see one video, be assured that there's gonna be another one based on the same topic. So guys, today we're going to talk about skin lightening. Yes, I know skin lightening is a very touchy topic. Very touchy. But who am I to avoid such a topic, honestly? Who am I to avoid such a topic when it's all over the place? It's in my face, it's in our faces. So anyway, I'm here to help you girls out there who want to do some skin lightening. I personally have not skin lightened. Don't be fooled by the darker hands. No, the darker hands is juu ya kuchagua mtumba. If you're a Kenyan, you know that. Yeah, so nimekuwa nikichagua mtumba of late, and you're going to see that in another video. Yeah, actually the video I think before this one, yeah, probably was like a haul video, a thrifted haul video. And you know the way we thrift in the sun, under the sun. So hence the dark hands. But that's not about it. I'm just here to help some girls out there who are feeling down and depressed. And I did another video. Sorry, I'm circumnavigating here around my videos, but I did another video about the beauty standards in Africa, and as I said, this is a sequel to that video. One of the beauty standards in Africa was actually light skin. So I know all you girls out there in Africa want to become lighter skinned. Oh, so sad. But yeah, I'm here to help you guys. If you've been advised, if you've been counseled, if you've seen a therapist, if you've been advised by your mama, your papa, your sisters, your friends, but you still want to get lighter skin, why? But I'm here to help you, so don't worry. I'm not here to judge you. It's your choice, it's your preference, and I don't want you guys to go in the way of mercury creams. You know, mercury creams are not good. And I also know that some people are taking glutathione pills, but glutathione pills also have their own side effects. So if you want to get lighter naturally by yourself, by using what God gave us on this earth, natural products, natural herbs, name it, if you're Indian, Ayurveda products and all that, stay tuned because you're in for a treat. You're in for a treat! Okay, that's acting weird, but yeah, let's just get into the video. I'm just going to give you about 3 tips and also my thoughts about skin bleaching. 1, it's your choice. 2, it's your choice. 3, it's your choice. Let nobody don't tell you know nothing about your skin. No, do what you want with it. It's your choice. For as long as you get the right information, make sure you get the right information about these creams, about these pills, about these methods, even these natural methods. They're not all good, so make sure you get the right information and let nobody tell you anything once you've made your choice, because it's your body, it's your choice. Yes. So the first thing I'm going to tell you is basically not really something that you're going to apply on your eyes, on your face, but it's something that you should do if you want lighter skin. That is, avoid the sun. For example, I work in the sun, and ever since I started this job, I've become like way darker. Like I can tell, even as dark skinned people, you know, Africans, we know that we always tan in the sun. Even us, like we get really black in the sun. So there's nothing wrong with getting really black, but this video is specifically for people who want to get lighter skin. So if you actually want to get lighter skin, avoid the sun. Don't stay long hours in the sun, and make sure that your skin is protected. So which leads me to the second tip, which is actually use sunscreen. So make sure that in case you're going in the sun, make sure that you apply sunscreen. That is going to prevent you from becoming darker than you actually are. So that is the first tip I'm going to give you. And don't log off the video first, because I know some people that might be like, what if I'm really already dark and I just want light skin? Like, how will avoiding the sun help me? Which leads me to my second tip for real natural skin lightening products that have been tried and tested by researchers. The first one is lemons. Do not underestimate the power of lemons. Yes, I know you've had it like 101 times, 1,001 times. Oh, use a lemon. Yes, it's true, it works. You won't become as much lighter like a person who applies mercury, but on a safer note, if you apply mercury, you're going to damage your liver, and if you apply lemon juice, you won't damage your liver. So yeah, do not apply mercury products, guys. Do not apply mercury products, guys. I know that some people are still in the black markets of Africa. There's still so many mercury products, and you wonder who are the people who manufacture these products, who, and why do they ship them to Africa? But anyway, it's a sad story. So use lemon juice. Just take a lemon, slice it into two, squeeze some juice, apply it on your face, or you can even just directly apply the cut up lemon like all over your face. Basically, the juice is the one that is going to help you become lighter. And hey, please note carefully, do not leave the house with that lemon juice. Rinse off that lemon juice after about 10 minutes. Rinse it off. 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off. Rinse it off with water. Remove it. Remove it. That is not how you're going to walk around. No. Make sure that you rinse it off. And when you're using lemon juice, you have to use sunscreen. So, because it makes your skin really sensitive to the sun. So, make sure that when you're using lemon juice, you use sunscreen. And you rinse off that lemon juice and apply moisturizer. Okay? I hope you've noted carefully. Do not walk around with that lemon juice. You're going to burn your skin. The second tip I'm going to give you is actually tomato juice. Just like the lemon, you apply it directly. Take a tomato, slice it into two, and then take the one half and apply it all over your skin, like the juice of the tomato. Or you can even mash up the tomato, apply it as a mask. Yes, a face mask. And then rinse it off. Just like the lemon juice, you rinse it off after a while. Yeah, so, and then you apply moisturizer. So do this for every day, like for 1 week, and hopefully you'll see results. Personally, I've never tried it. Sorry, guys. I've not tested them. I've just researched for you. I've just done like research for you guys, but I've not tested these things. Let me know in the comment section actually if you've ever tried and whether it worked, because I'm really also curious to know, like genuinely curious to know. I've never tried. In fact, I'm going to start from today and see. And you guys tell me in the results if there's any difference. Okay, the next tip I'm going to tell you is actually turmeric. Yes, I know that turmeric is usually applied like to, it has antibacterial properties, yeah, like to help prevent acne and all that. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to buy some turmeric powder, mix a little bit of it in water. I know that people in the coast of Kenya do this a lot, and yeah, it's supposed to help your skin become lighter eventually. But what I noticed, personally, I did try the turmeric one. And what I noticed is that the turmeric, although sandalwood is kind of banned because it's an endangered species. All you people who are using sandalwood, just know that sandalwood is an endangered species, or what is commonly known as liwa in Kenya. Now, liwa is also supposed to help. And why I'm combining liwa and turmeric is because turmeric, what I noticed about turmeric, as I was saying, is that turmeric powder actually makes you like a different color. It's like you're applying paint on your face. That's what I noticed. Like when you apply the mask, as I was saying, you take turmeric powder, mix it with a little water, it creates a thick paste, just a thick paste that you apply on your face like a face mask. And then you leave it on for about, they normally say overnight. If need be, you can leave it on for as long as you want, even up to overnight, though it's really uncomfortable and it will stain your sheets. But what I noticed about turmeric powder is that it actually like leaves you another color somehow. Like it gives you a glow, yes, but it's like it's applied color to you. I don't know if you can understand. It's like it's applied that orange on your skin. So I guess with continued application you may end up orange. So I guess that's how turmeric works. But about the bleaching, I'm not really sure, or the skin lightening for turmeric, I'm not very sure. But if you want to get like an instant like glow up, or yeah, an instant glow up on your skin, change your color temporarily, I think turmeric would work for you. And liwa, yes, last but not least, I was going to talk about liwa, which is sandalwood. Now, sandalwood is an endangered species of tree, so I would not really advocate for you to use sandalwood, although unfortunately it's very rampant. I don't know whether the sandalwood in Kenya is endangered, but I know that the sandalwood in India is endangered, and most of the sandalwood, we get it from India. But I know that sandalwood products are still very common, and I know that you can get crushed sandalwood. Can you really though? Not sure, but that what we call liver in Kenya is a product that actually bleaches the skin. So I guess you can get regulated sandalwood or something of the sort out there, but it actually like prolonged usage is said to like help with like skin lightening and like acne breakouts and all that. So products that I've mentioned to lighten your skin, let me know in the comment section, and let me know how it went for you, because I'm really curious to know whether these products actually work, because you know those mercury based creams were really strong and they would just like destroy your melanin and destroy your liver and your kidneys in the process and leave you with yellow eyes. So I'm just curious whether you can actually see a difference when you use these products. Let me know in the comment section. Another bonus for you is actually saffron. Saffron, I'm not sure whether we actually have it in Kenya. Should have done my research before I did this video, but I believe that if you do get your hands on saffron, you can always Google and see whether you can apply it on your face as a mask or use it in a certain way so that you can lighten your skin. The video, good luck on your skin lightening endeavor. I hope that you succeed, and I hope that you do it wisely, and I'll see you in my next video, which I normally post 3 times a week, guys. 3 times a week. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and bye. Don't forget to subscribe.